Hey everyone, it's Rick MacDermid here with Senior Solutions Group. It is a balmy 30-degree morning here in Yakima, Washington, and for our Medicare Minute, I want to talk about a conversation I had yesterday with a lady who's 66 years old and is found herself in a nursing home unexpectedly through a back surgery, and since she can't work, she's losing her employer insurance, so she's forced to go on Medicare a little earlier than she planned. And since she's past her open enrollment age 65 window, she's going to have to produce a document, an employer verification form that Social Security requires. Well, she doesn't have a power of attorney and she's in the nursing home. So the quandary is how is she going to get to Social Security with this document? So for those of you who do not have a power of attorney, I would highly advise you to find someone you trust, maybe a child, a grandchild, or a loved one, a brother or sister, and set up power of attorney ahead of time before you hit a crisis. So therefore you're doing crisis prevention versus crisis management. So crisis prevention is something that we all need to do so we don't have to end up in crisis management. Have a great day, everyone.